This is Shredzilla, Lilly. So this is what she does to boxes, anything made out of paper. She tore into those boxes before, diabetic supplies. I gotta throw them out. I mean, it's a toy, but she like knocks stuff on the floor. She's a holy terror, but I love her. You gonna shred some more? I'll put you on YouTube. Watch her. She about to shred again. Just give her. She's thinking about it. She's thinking about it. Yeah, you're thinking about it, aren't you? You are, after all, Shredzilla. You do it again? You gonna do it? Again? Where's Lilly? Where's little Shredzilla? Shredzilla! Where are you, little girl? Little Shredzilla? I see an ear. Is that you under there? Oh, there she is. There she is. I'm a self-admitting monster. Bring me your paper and your boxes. I will shred them. It's what I do. Are you done? Are you my little friend Shredzilla? Are you? You got kitten in you. You're almost. I think you're 2 years old now. Wait, yeah, I think you're like 2 years old. You gotta ask Gabby. But at 2 years old, still shredding. Still shredding. You love to shred. Yes, you do. Admit it. Admit it. You love shredding. Little shredder.